is actually how to start your own OnlyFans agency from zero and grow it to at least 30K a month. I see a lot of other videos saying how to do this. They get really baity video titles, really baity thumbnails, and then you go and watch it and it's just so fucking generic. But they use really cool keywords, so it like makes you feel like you're getting something from it. But once you see it, you can't unsee it. So I thought, hey, let's actually show them how to do it, all right? So let's assume you're starting from zero. What do you need first? You need models? Cool, I got you covered, all right? Free model leads. My YouTube channel is actually generating more interest than my agency, Your OnlyFans Empire, can keep up with. So we're starting to list the spare leads that we have in a thread so that people inside my school can actually just hit the models up themselves, get paired up. And then once you got your models, then I'll show you what to say, how to sign them, then how to grow the account, how to optimize the account, then how to automate, generate traffic, all that, all right? So first thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna integrate the model into the agency once you've got them signed up. So we got you a contract template that you can use, make everything official, make it all legal. Then you're gonna wanna optimize the OnlyFans account, especially if she already has an existing OnlyFans account. You're gonna see a lot of things the model is probably doing that is not maximizing the amount of cash that you can squeeze out of every sub. So I'll show you how to do that. And the other thing is making the account more higher converting, because it's no good if you got traffic coming in, you're doing these dialed in traffic methods, generating unlimited traffic to an OnlyFans account, but it's not converting because it's just not set up in the right way. So I'll show you how to do that, of course, as well. Then setting up some automations like a script, and you'll start off by sending it to each sub that signs up. Each new sub that signs up, you'll start slinging them this script. So you'll just start making cash right out of the gate. Then you're going to want to start generating traffic. So we get you covered with the main ones like Reddit, TikTok, Reels, etc., and dating apps. You know, on Reddit, my other YouTube videos are kind of popping off about Reddit, but it's getting shown to the people that don't even do OFM. So I guess Reddit is just fucking everyone off at the moment. So don't worry, I got you covered here as well. So farming karma, navigating the CQS, which is really shitting everyone up the wall. Hence my videos popping off, even to people that don't even do OnlyFans, but you get covered there too. The specific content strategy that we use, and best of all, how to convert subs from Reddit. When done properly using my subreddit method, you can have the highest conversion rate of any platform, of any social media platform there is. Do this and Reddit will just be a absolute fucking goldmine. Now, then you got dating apps, how to do all that. You can tell just how good my method is because if you've seen any other method, you won't even see them talk about model avatar. That's the kind of level that I go into when I lay out a method, especially with something like dating apps, where you can get banned so easily. So you have to be really careful in the way you navigate platforms like this. But I got you covered there as well, all right? Then TikTok and Reels. And then once you have got the traffic coming in, you want to start setting up some automations. So first of all is how do we make the maximum amount of fucking money from each subscriber that comes in? Well, you're going to want to use really high converting chatting scripts, and don't worry, I got you there as well. Then once you've done all this, you want to start setting up the automation so that you don't have to do the work, because no one wants to do the work. They just want to make the money. And that's when you start building out your team using VAs and chatters. I'll show you how to find them, how to sign them, and then how to pay them. Then once you've done this, you can literally just have money coming in from your phone. While you're sleeping, the money comes in. And you can grow this from $0 right now, assuming you do not have an agency, to at least 30K a month, like I was saying, and more. Now, all of this can be done literally just by using all the content within my school Supreme Leaders Empire. Right now, just leave it short and sweet. Now, as usual, if you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and the link to join my school is below, but the price is going up soon. Now, I get a lot of people, whenever I do this, get a lot of people message me on Insta, hey, can I get the old price because, I don't know, I just got in a car accident. I just hear a lot of things, all right? No. So, link is below. Anyways, if you like the video, as I said, smash the like button, and I'll see you on the next one.